All right, hello, welcome again to this tutorial. I'm Samuel Edit. In this video, I'm going to show us how to customize any font of your choice. Yeah, okay. Please, if you are new to my channel, I want you to click the subscribe button. So whenever I'm going to share any of the updates, you'll be the first person to notify. Okay, what we have to do is the first step that you need to take. You are going to go to your browser. Let me move to my Chrome browser. There's my Chrome browser. So in order for you to customize a font of your choice, what you need to do is you come to this search button and click on ingojam.com. So what you need to do is you need to search for the website. So let's wait for the website. Have you seen? Here is the website. So what you need to do, like if you want to customize any message or anything of your choice, like to customize a text to a font of your choice, what you need to do, you come here to this normal text, goes here. Have you seen? Then as for me, I'll need to make use of my name, Samuel Edit. Have you seen? Now you come here. Have you seen? Have you seen? This is just the simple step or the method. Have you seen? Here are all the step process. So what you need to do, as for me now, I'll need to check the fonts that I would like the fonts I would like. Let's say, let's move down. I haven't seen the one that I like. Let's move down. Okay. Maybe I've passed the one that I could like. Okay. Please remember, you can copy any of these fonts here and use it on your WhatsApp or any other social media or of your choice. As for me, I'll go with this one. What you need to do, you just need to copy it. And let me go straight to my Facebook. Let's go to my Facebook to see if. So what you need to do, you paste it here. Have you seen? You can use it as you like you can. Have you seen? Like, let me just post it. It will still be the same font. Hope you understand. You can go ahead to I don't want to continue this. This is just a video practical to show you guys how to customize any text font of your choice. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn up the bell notification. So whenever I'm going to post any other update or any other videos, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you.